You are heading a construction company where asset optimization tracking is a challenge and capital-intensive costs are mounting. As a construction and infrastructure company, you need to respond to these challenges. Lack of real-time asset movement tracking, absence of historical data related to asset movement, fuel pilferages, unknown driving behavior, no knowledge of equipment movement outside the site premise, inflated reporting of working hours and kilometers. You need a solution that helps you with real-time tracking of construction assets utilization with an end-to-end historical data, utilizing Highbar Technocrat's IoT solution, specifically tailored and optimized for the infrastructure industry. Construction players can precisely evaluate the health status of equipment and take necessary course corrections. Key features of Highbar Technocrat's IoT solution: real-time location and other performance parameter tracking, geofencing, defining vehicle-specific travel zone, replay vehicle location history, trip management and reports, centralized cloud storage, alerts and notification for overspeeding, violating geofencing, etc., mobile app access, SD card for offline data storage, power backup provision, optional Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. Highbar Technocrat's cutting-edge solution enables an agile workplace with advanced asset utilization. The solution helps resolve expensive replacements and avoid project delays. For more information, please write to inquiry@highbartech.com. Highbar Technocrat, India's leading technology solution provider for the construction and infrastructure sector.